Hey you guys, SEK the Homesteader here with an expansion update. All right you guys, so this is what my newly made expansion is looking like, you guys. And as you can see, I have two more. Let me see, these are 6 by 3 by 1 foot. Okay, and these are aluminum raised beds, which I really love, you guys. And I will be filling this area up with probably 2 or 3 more, we'll see. So as you can see, I took the wood raised beds out and put them on the outside. So I'm still trying to figure out how should I rearrange them. I did have 2 in the front, but I decided to move those 2 to the back. And I'm thinking about putting flowers in the front and around, you know, the little spaces and things of that nature. So right now, I wanted to bring you guys a video on how I will be filling up these 2 raised beds with the free mulch that I got, you guys. So this is nothing new to most of you people in the garden world on how to fill up your raised beds in a more economical way, which is with the free mulch. As you can see, I already began to cut out the wet fabric in the middle of it, so that will allow the earthworms to come up, break the cardboard down, and also the free mulch. So this bed is ready for its cardboard, and this one is ready for its cardboard as well. So I didn't cut it out completely because we also want to keep the weeds down. So the cardboard will help with that, along with the mulch. So that is the plan, to lay the cardboard down. Probably maybe do 2 layers of cardboard from end to end, and then we'll top it off with the free mulch, and then we will add compost and some soil to that, so that it will be ready to either put transplants in it or sow some seeds. And looks like it's going to be a great season in this new area. So in these back corners like this, I'm thinking about putting some type of flowers, maybe the wine barrels that I was telling you guys about, and filling them up with some flowers in those corners, as well as this area right here. I'm thinking about putting some flowers in that area right there. My son said they looked better towards the back, so that's why we put the other 2 raised beds in the back, which it does look really nice like that. But I think it'd be even nicer if we get some flowers planted along the perimeter. I have a lot of packets of like wildflowers that I can, you know, sprinkle some seeds in the black to bring some color and just to make it look a little bit prettier. And I think that's what I'm going to shoot for. You guys, y'all know I have no problem with suggestions. Please leave me a comment and give me some ideas. But I'm super excited about how this is looking. And in the spaces of the new raised beds, I'm probably going to mulch that area. I'm going to see how it works, but I'm probably going to mulch that area as well, the walk areas. And yeah, we're probably going to do that. We're just going to see, because we definitely want to get this mound down. It's going, but it just ain't going down fast enough, but it is going. So this is what it's looking like, you guys. Give you guys another look of the cutout of the wet fabric. And we're going to put some cardboard down, layer it up so that the earthworms can come in and break that down and get those worm castings going throughout the raised bed. All right, you guys, I hope you guys are enjoying my newly made expansion. This is SEK. Y'all say hey to Hero. Say hey, Hero. All right, you guys, SEK the Homesteader. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for tuning in. Peace.